squat jump with oblique crunch. So we're going to take our hands and gently place them right here by our ears, so we're not reefing our head forward or up or down or any position like that. We're going to keep our hips, our ribs tucked under, and we're going to go into a squat, and then we're going to jump up out of it and cross into oblique crunch. Squat, jump up out of it and cross into an oblique crunch. On the squat, we're making sure that we don't let our knees come over out towards our toes. We want to keep our knees stacked up over our ankles. Good. Squat down, and then she jumps up really high. Oblique crunch. Good. Squat down, jumps into an oblique crunch. Alternating the arm and leg. Perfect. Good. As she's driving her knee up, she can feel her abs engage. Good. And as she brings her body down, she can feel her obliques engage there too. Up and down. Keep going. Doing great. Now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Good. Squat. Jump. Squat. Good. Perfect. Great. Good. Careful not to pull the head and trying to keep her ribs tucked under. Not in this position.